Hey guys, it's officially fall, so come make pumpkin spice doodles with me. In a bowl, combine 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a teaspoon of pumpkin spice blend. I made my own, but you can obviously buy some, and then half a teaspoon of salt. In your KitchenAid mixer, or just a bowl with an electric hand mixer, combine a cup of butter, a cup of granulated sugar, and then half a cup of brown sugar. Cream that together until it looks like this. And then scrape down your bowl just to make sure everything is incorporated. And then you're going to add 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to cream that together again until it looks roughly like this. And then you're going to scrape down the bowl one more time. I obviously did not show that. Combine all your dries into this mixture. Then cream that together on medium speed up until it looks roughly like this. And then you're going to scrape down the bowl one more time, pop that into the fridge for about an hour just to chill, let the dough set up, get all the flavors well incorporated. And then you're going to come back, and then in a different bowl or a plate, I used a plate, but I think a bowl would have worked better. You're going to combine a tablespoon of the pumpkin spice blend, and then, add as much sugar as you want. It's not an exact science. I think I added like half a cup. I like it a little bit spicier than sugar, but yeah. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to start scooping your cookie dough. I used a cookie scoop. You could use whatever you want. You could either eyeball it or use a tablespoon if you want to get pretty exact. I recommend cookie scoops just because you can be exact, and they have like the scraping mechanism to like really scoop it out of the scoop. And just roll that in the pumpkin spice sugar mixture that you made earlier. I ended up combining 2 scoops of cookie dough because I felt like the cookies were too small. However, I put too many cookies on this tray, so they got a little squished together. Bake them for about 10 minutes at start. I know that says 8 minutes. That's what the recipe called for, but after baking a couple trays, I realized they needed more time because they were bigger cookies. A good way to test cookies is to kind of just gently poke the edge, and if the edge feels like crisp to the touch, then they're pretty ready. Or just until they're golden brown. I just noticed these, you can't really tell if they're golden. And then you're going to leave them on the tray for about 1 to 2 minutes just to let them set up a little bit more. Then transfer them to a wire cooling rack with a paper towel on it. I find a paper towel helps support the bottom because my wire cooling rack is pretty gapey and stuff like that. And then, enjoy because they're really good.